Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a realistic wound using just liquid latex. So first step is to clean the surface of your skin where you want to create your wound. And then you go in with your liquid latex, and this particular one is gotten from SFX mat on Instagram. You need a wet sponge to apply this on your skin, or you can use any other form of applicator to apply this. When you apply your first layer of liquid latex, you give it some minutes or a minute to dry off. And once it is dry, you go in with your second layer of liquid latex. Once the second layer is dry, you apply your powder just to remove the sticky effect the liquid latex comes with. And this part, please, you have to be careful, guys. Use anything you can get to just poke a hole on the liquid latex you apply to the skin. Also guys, please be very careful with this part. Make sure you do this carefully so you don't hurt yourself. You can either use your Skin Illustrator palette or you can use a red lip stain. After that, you go in with your lip gloss, and this is to give it a glossy look and make it look more realistic. Once that is done, this is how your wound is going to look like. You can choose to leave it this way, or you can as fresh as this, or you can choose to make it look like a healing wound. And how you do that is to apply a darker shade or a black paint. This black paint is gotten from SFX mat on Instagram. The effect of this is to give an illusion of a wound that is healing. It's no longer fresh. So you apply this black paint gently and just apply a little amount of it around the wound and then blend it out properly. Once that is done, you have your realistic wound using just liquid latex. I hope you learned one or two things here. If you have more questions, please do not forget to drop it in the comment section. And if you have more videos you would love us to create, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also share. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.